What if I told you there's one simple move that could fix almost everything wrong with your body? Well, believe it or not, there is. Meet the Asian squat. Stick around till the end to know exactly how this one move can change your body and your life forever. Now, let me take you to a busy street corner in Vietnam. There's a group of elderly folks squatting low, eating hot pho and chatting away. What you might not realize is they're also digesting their food better than most of us lying on the couch after dinner. See, when you're in a deep squat, your thighs press gently into your abdomen. This increases intra-abdominal pressure, massaging your digestive organs like a soft rhythmic squeeze. This position helps stimulate peristalsis, the wave-like contractions of your intestines that move food through your gut. It's almost like giving your digestive tract a little wake-up call. Even more fascinating, in countries where squatting toilets are still common, studies have shown lower rates of constipation, hemorrhoids, and even colon diseases. Coincidence? Science says nope. One research study from Digestive Diseases and Sciences found that the squatting position shortens the rectoanal angle, allowing for smoother bowel movements. Yes, that's the sciencey way of saying you poop better. So the next time you're bloated after that heavy meal, maybe don't lie back and suffer. Just drop it low. Your intestines will thank you. Now, you're probably thinking, cool, it helps with digestion, but I can't even get into that position without my ankles screaming for help. Well, let's talk about why that scream is actually your body begging for more mobility. Let's be honest, our modern lifestyles have us locked into chairs like medieval prisoners. Office chair, car seat, couch, repeat. That's why when most people try an Asian squat for the first time, it feels like a cruel yoga prank. Ankles tight, hips locked, knees trembling like they're seeing their high school gym teacher again. But here's the beauty. The more you do it, the more your body adapts. In a few minutes, I'll show you the exact technique for holding the resting squat to maximize its benefits so you don't miss out on its full potential. The Asian squat stretches the hip flexors, glutes, groin, calves, and ankles simultaneously. Think of it as an all-in-one mobility upgrade. In fact, physiotherapists often recommend deep squats as a natural counter position to our seated lives. One study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found significant improvements in ankle dorsiflexion and hip mobility after just a few weeks of squatting practice. It's like WD-40 for your joints, but made by nature. And get this, in many parts of Asia, kids learn to squat before they walk steadily. It's baked into the culture, and their bodies move with ease because of it. Can your office chair do that? Didn't think so. Speaking of chairs, what if I told you the Asian squat could also replace leg day? Okay, maybe not replace it, but it definitely builds something most people neglect: stronger legs and midsection. Let me tell you, maintaining an Asian squat for even just 3 minutes is no joke. Your quads are firing, your hamstrings are engaged, your glutes are clenching like you just heard a horror story, and your core, yeah, it's doing overtime to keep you balanced. This isn't a passive rest, it's a functional isometric workout. And here's the kicker, because you're in such a compact position, your body learns how to stabilize itself more efficiently. That means stronger stabilizer muscles, especially in the hips, pelvic floor, and lower abs. In a study conducted on traditional squatting positions, researchers observed increased muscular activation in the rectus femoris, gluteus maximus, and transverse abdominis, core muscles that support balance, posture, and yes, your six-pack dreams. So the next time someone tells you squatting is just sitting with extra steps, challenge them to hold it for 5 minutes and watch them reevaluate their life. And hey, if you're serious about building real strength, improving mobility, and transforming your body without guesswork, I've put together some powerful exercise and nutrition ebooks that break it all down step by step. Whether you're training at home or looking to level up your meals, these guides are packed with practical info, science-backed strategies, and easy-to-follow plans. Check the link in the description. It might just be the shortcut your fitness journey needs. And while we're talking about life evaluations, have you checked your posture lately? Spoiler, your slouched spine may be crying for help. You know that slouch we all have after hours of scrolling, typing, binge watching? Yeah, it's not just bad for your looks. It's messing with your spinal health, breathing, and even your confidence. The Asian squat forces your body into spinal alignment. Your pelvis is in a neutral position, your spine stacks vertically, and your chest naturally opens up. Why? Because if you slouch forward in a squat, you fall over. It's simple physics meets natural alignment. This position retrains your postural muscles, especially the erector spinae, the muscles that run along your spine to stay engaged. It teaches your body what upright actually means. One fascinating study in Spine Journal showed that natural squatting postures significantly reduce lumbar disc compression compared to traditional sitting. Translation? Squatting might actually protect your spine in the long run. Also, have you ever seen a toddler squat? Perfect posture, straight back, knees out, chest proud. Somewhere between learning to read and binge watching Netflix, we lost that. Time to reclaim it. Now if you're wondering, wait, won't squatting wreck my knees and ankles? Listen, my friend, it's actually the opposite. We often fear what feels difficult, and when your knees start cracking like popcorn during a squat, it's easy to panic. But hold up. Unless there's an underlying injury, those pops are often just nitrogen bubbles in your joints. In fact, controlled, regular squatting can improve synovial fluid production. That's the joint juice that keeps everything smooth and cushioned. By going into a full squat, you're moving the knees, hips, and ankles through their full range of motion, which helps maintain cartilage health and reduce stiffness. The American Journal of Sports Medicine published findings that show deep squats, when done with proper form, do not increase injury risk. In fact, they support joint integrity better than half reps or restricted movement exercises. It's like oiling a door hinge. Don't use it, it rusts. Move it fully, and it lasts longer. So, if you want your knees and hips to last well into your 80s, start squatting like a wise old monk. But here's where it gets even cooler. What if this one posture could help your blood flow better, all the way to your brain? Circulation is the unsung hero of human health. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery, faster muscle recovery, healthier skin, and even a sharper mind. When you drop into an Asian squat, you're not just exercising muscles, you're activating the vascular system. The position forces your body to engage the venous pump mechanism in your lower limbs. Your calves, the second heart, compress and help push blood back up to the heart, improving circulatory efficiency. Not only that, but being in that squat position temporarily reduces pressure on certain veins, encouraging better blood pooling management, especially for people who sit for long periods and suffer from numb legs or swelling. A study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology confirmed that squatting periodically during sedentary periods reduced blood pooling and improved lower limb vascular function. So yes, squatting might actually make your heart and brain work better, just by standing down instead of standing up. Alright, by now you're either thinking, I need to do this daily, or, that sounds amazing, but I can't even get into that position. Don't worry, I got you. Let me show you how to unlock the Asian squat, step by step. First, start with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointed slightly outward. Slowly lower your hips, as if sitting into an invisible low chair. Keep your heels flat on the ground. Your back stays straight, chest up, and knees tracking over your toes. Don't collapse forward. Go as low as you can comfortably. If your heels lift up, try widening your stance or placing a small wedge or rolled towel under your heels at first. Hold for 30 seconds, then 1 minute, build up to 5, 10, even 20 minutes. It's a slow relationship, not a Tinder match. And don't panic if it feels impossible at first. Remember, this isn't a flexibility contest, it's a lifestyle reset. We just talked about how the Asian squat can transform your entire body. But what if I told you there's a simple workout that can fix 99.99% of your problems? Click the video popping up on your screen and find out more.